Updating your primary email on Instagram is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to ensure your email is current and secure. Step 1. Open the Instagram app. Launch the Instagram app on your mobile device. Make sure you are logged into the account for which you want to update the email. Step 2. Go to your profile. Tap on your profile icon located at the bottom right corner of the screen. This will take you to your profile page. Step 3. Access settings. In your profile, tap on the 3 horizontal lines in the top right corner to open the menu. From there, select Settings at the bottom of the menu. Step 4. Select Account. In the Settings menu, tap on Account. This section contains various options related to your account settings. Step 5. Update email address. Tap on Personal information or email, the wording may vary. Enter your new email address and save the changes. You may need to verify the new email by checking your inbox for a confirmation email from Instagram. After following these steps, your primary email on Instagram will be updated. Make sure to check your email for any verification steps to complete the process.